Hello everyone, I am Ranjit from Informatica Global Customer Support. In this video, we will see how to configure the Microsoft Fabric Data Warehouse Catalog source in CDGC. The agenda of today's session is: what is Microsoft Fabric Data Warehouse Scanner? What are all the supported object types of Microsoft Fabric Data Warehouse Catalog source in CDGC? What are all the prerequisites to configure the Microsoft Fabric Data Warehouse Catalog source in CDGC? And then we will see on the steps to configure the Microsoft Fabric Data Warehouse Catalog source along with a quick demo. What is Microsoft Fabric Data Warehouse Scanner? Microsoft Fabric Data Warehouse is a data warehouse for large-scale enterprise analytics available on the Microsoft Fabric platform. You can use the Microsoft Fabric Data Warehouse Catalog source to extract metadata from a Microsoft Fabric Data Warehouse source system. Supported object types. The following objects will be extracted as part of the metadata extraction in CDGC. The objects are column, database, function, primary key, schema, store procedure, table, and views. Prerequisites to configure the Microsoft Fabric Data Warehouse Catalog source in CDGC. To extract Microsoft Fabric Data Warehouse metadata, you need account access and permissions to the Microsoft Fabric Data Warehouse source system. To extract metadata from Microsoft Fabric data warehouses within a Microsoft Fabric workspace, you need access to the workspace with contributor or higher permissions. Ensure that the user have the following permissions to extract metadata from the Microsoft Fabric data warehouse source system. Now we will see on the steps to configure the Microsoft Fabric Data Warehouse Catalog source along with a quick demo. In order to create a Microsoft Fabric Data Warehouse Catalog source in Metadata Command Center, we will be required to create the connection in Administrator Service first. To do that, navigate to Administrator Service, click on Connection and create a new connection. Here I have provided the connection name and type as Microsoft Fabric Data Warehouse and a valid runtime environment and other user credentials to connect to the source system. Once the details are provided, click on Disconnection to check if the connection is established between the secure agent server and source system. And once the disconnection is successful, save the connection and then navigate to Metadata Command Center. So, click on New and search for Fabric Warehouse. And then under Connection, choose the connection that we created in Administrator Service. And once the details are provided, click on Next and select the valid runtime environment. And then under Filters, click on Filter Conditions. And here we can provide the filter in any of the below supported formats. And once the details were added, save the catalog source and then run the catalog source. Here I have already created a catalog source with same configurations. And once the job is completed successfully, we will be able to see the statistics of extracted metadata under the Results tab. And post extraction, we can see the extracted metadata in Data Governance and Catalog. And under the Hierarchy tab, we will be able to see the hierarchy of database, schema, tables, and views. And on clicking the table, we will be able to see the columns and other informations of the particular table. And under the lineage tab, we'll be able to see the table to view relationship lineage and other lineage whichever is applicable for this particular table. And under relationships tab, we'll be able to see the relationships that were applicable for this particular asset. And then on clicking the columns, we will be able to see the data type, precision, scale, and nullable on details in the system attributes column. And on clicking the lineage from column, we will be able to see the column to column relationship for this particular column. We would love to hear feedback from you. Thanks for watching.